Papa, there are so many things to make. How do they decide what to work on right now?
That's a very important question. In Scrum, this decision happens in something called sprint planning.
Welcome to Concept Playground, where complex ideas are playfully explained. Let's imagine our sweet shop again. There are many sweet ideas, but the shop has limited time, limited people, limited ingredients. They can't make everything at once, so they must choose carefully. In Scrum, sprint planning is the time when the team meets and decides what is realistic and what can be done within that sprint. This decision is made before the work starts. Here are some of the main points to consider. The product owner explains what is important, and the development team decides what they can actually do. No one forces work onto the team. The plan is created together. In our sweet shop example, this is like saying, we have this much time today, we have these ingredients, so let's prepare these sweets and not more. Planning too much creates stress, and planning too little creates waste. Sprint planning is not about guessing and assuming. It is not about promising any impossible work. It is not about someone who is just assigning the task. Sprint planning is all about clarity, focus, and commitment. So remember this, guys. Sprint planning is about choosing the realistic work for a shorter time. It's not about doing everything. It's about doing the right things. If this explanation helped you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and put your comments on what do you want to learn next.
So planning means choosing wisely, not choosing everything?
Exactly.
Thank you, Papa.